I'm cold. That sucks. You know, sometimes I just want to get into bed, but I can't. My mom always push me from here, you know, but it hurts. So my uncle told me that what you need to do is take this part of the blanket, okay? Just take it with you until this part, okay? Now you need to get in like this, okay? Okay, now you can sit. Now put your legs like this and take the blanket and put it on you. And now you can go to sleep without your mom pushing you. Yeah, it's better. And I'm not cold.